So please, babe, so please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, 'cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful. So please don't judge me, and I won't judge you.
Yesterday I was at Sephora's Facebook page and I was browsing through their wall when they posted a sale that if you purchase $25 or more you'll get a Hello Kitty lip gloss. So I was browsing through Sephora.com and I happened to stop by the sale page, and if you could see by the title above, you already know what it is. Sephora Pantone Universe Nature eyeshadow palette. It's a color inspired by the beauty of nature, and this originally is $55, but then it was on the website for $48. But since it was a summer palette, it's now on sale for $17. So this is a package, and this is the back. It shows you the colors, and the colors don't have names, so they have numbers. So this is the palette. It looks like this. It looks like a thin Mac laptop, and this is the back of it, and it has the Sephora with Pantone Universe. I guess Sephora teamed up with Pantone and made this palette. So it just shows you the numbers of each color. It looks like this. It comes with a huge mirror, and it comes with numbers, a little plastic thing with numbers. So it comes with 35 multi-colored eyeshadows. It comes with 7 rows, and it comes with, each row has 5 colors. You have neutrals, you have orange, pinks, purples, blues, yellows, greens, teals, blacks, all the above. You could create any type of look. So let me do some swatching. I'm wearing this pink all over the lid. This brown in the crease. This darker brown on the outer crease. And this color is a highlighting shade. So these are the shades I'm wearing in my eyes. Let me show you my eye look. It's very pretty. And now we could see. This is also a pretty color. It has shimmer. And this other darker blue. Kind of looks like Electric Eel by MAC. So these are the swatches, and it's just a brief look on it because I'm actually gonna go out with the husband, and I just wanted to let you know that Sephora has it on sale. So I'll leave the sale page in the link below so you could get it for $17 before it runs out. So thank you for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe.